This reading session is about how artificial intelligence is used to detect heart failure in advance. In this reading session, we will read around 10 reading paragraphs, the points we are going to learn. What artificial intelligence is, what algorithm means, definition of symptoms, the difference among million, billion, and trillion, what BHF stands for, who is a cardiologist, difference between datum and data, what GP stands for, what types of diseases are called chronic diseases, what the word crucial actually means in this context.
New AI tech developed to detect heart failure earlier. It means new artificial intelligence technology has been developed to find out heart failure in advance. Artificial intelligence could be used to identify patients at risk of heart failure, meaning they could be treated earlier, Leeds based researchers have said. Artificial intelligence are programs that can act as human brain. Leeds based researchers means researchers from University of Leeds. University of Leeds is a public research university in England. So, in this paragraph, we can understand that artificial intelligence will be used to detect patients at risk of heart failure in advance. An algorithm known as FindHF has been trained by the Leeds University researchers to detect early symptoms of the condition using patient records. Algorithm is a computer program. Symptoms are signals or indication or little warning signs your body gives you to let you know something might be wrong. For example, the symptoms of coronavirus are coughing a lot, feeling tired, losing sense of taste and smell. So, this algorithm, this computer program that is called FindHF has been trained by the Leeds University researchers to detect early symptoms, early signs of heart failure. It means it is going to help a lot in future. According to the British Heart Foundation, BHF, there are currently more than 1 million people in the UK with heart failure. Million means 1 and 6 zeros. 1 million. Professor Chris Gale from Leeds Teaching Hospitals NHS Trust and the University of Leeds said the tech means technology. The technology would open a crucial window of opportunities for patients. It means this technology is going to bring a lot of opportunities, lot of facilities for the patients. Crucial means very important, like crucial information, very important information. For the study, which was funded by the BHF, researchers used the patient records, patient history of 565,284 UK adults to train the AI algorithm. BHF paid for the research or project. Funded by the BHF means BHF paid for the research or project. And these researchers used the patient history, patient record to train the algorithm, to train the computer program. It was then further tested on a database. Database means information. It was then further tested on a database of 106,026 records from Taiwan National University Hospital. The AI was able to accurately predict mean to tell in advance, to forecast. AI the AI was able to accurately predict the patients at the highest risk of developing heart failure and those who could be admitted to hospital with the condition within 5 years, the researchers said. It means this algorithm told 5 years in advance about the people who will be possibly facing heart failure after 5 years. This program told the story 5 years in advance. Quality of life. It means this kind of technology, artificial intelligence technology, will improve quality of life. Professor Gale, a consultant cardiologist is a specialist in the structure and function and disorders of the heart. Professor Gale, a consultant cardiologist, said this is an extremely powerful and unique national resource, and it is time to use these data to benefit patients. Data is a plural noun. Its singular is datum. Find HF could possibly bring diagnosis forward by 2 years. It means you can diagnose something like a heart failure or heart disorder 2 years in advance. Diagnose means finding the nature and cause of an illness. The researchers suggest is a verb. Its noun is suggestion. Some people say suggestion. Suggestion is wrong. The correct pronunciation is suggestion.
suggestion, 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 suggestion,
The researchers suggested the program could be used by GPs. GPs are general practitioners as an early warning system, allowing them to test and diagnose patients earlier. General practitioner is a doctor based in the community who treats patients with minor or chronic illnesses and refers those with serious conditions to a hospital. Chronic disease is a disease that continues for a long time. Dr. Ramesh Nadaraja, a health data research UK fellow means member, at the University of Leeds said many people receive their diagnosis of heart failure at too late a stage when disease modifying treatments are potentially less effective, especially women and older people. So, Dr. Ramesh says that most of the people are diagnosed with heart disorders at a very late stage in their life. Dr. Ramesh further says, we are using machine learning tools, means computer programs, with routinely collected data to identify people with heart failure earlier so that they can get the right treatment and prevent hospital admissions and death and improve quality of life. Words, meanings, expressions, and sentences we can learn from this reading practice. First, AI means artificial intelligence, meaning computer programs that work as a human brain. Use. Researchers have built an artificial intelligence model that can accurately identify diseases. Algorithm, meaning step by step instructions given to a computer. It means it's a set of instructions that is given to a computer, and computer works on those instructions accordingly. Use. YouTube uses its algorithm to suggest its videos against a search. The next word is symptoms, meaning warning signs your body gives you to let you know something might be wrong. Use. The usual flu symptoms are a high temperature, headache, and so on. Million. The number 1000000. It means one with six zeros. That is million. This city has a population of almost a million. A million or 1 million, both are correct. This city has a population of almost a million or 1 million, means 1 and 6 zeros. Billion. Billion is the number 1 and 9 zeros. 1 with 9 zeros. The population of China is over a billion or over 1 billion. Trillion, meaning the number 1 with 12 zeros. Distances in space can be measured in trillions of miles. It means a very, very, very long distance. Crucial means extremely important or necessary. Use. Her work is crucial to the project's success. Cardiologist. Who is a cardiologist? Meaning, a doctor who specializes in treating diseases of the heart. Cardiologists use special machines to look at your heart and blood vessels. Blood vessels are the tubes through which blood flows in the body. Datum and data. Datum is a singular noun. Datum, a single piece of information, and data is multiple pieces of information. Datum is singular and data is plural. Researchers collected data about the population. It means researchers collected multiple pieces of information, plural pieces of information, data. The word datum means one piece of information, and data is plural, multiple pieces of information. The next one is chronic disease, meaning a disease that continues for a long time. Use. Weight gain can lead to chronic diseases. If you are gaining weight, if you are overweight, it can lead to some long diseases. The diseases that last, that exist for a very long time. Chronic disease.
Summary of the article: AI to identify heart failure risk. Researchers in Leeds developed an AI program called Find HF to detect early signs of heart failure using patient medical records. Early diagnosis could benefit patients. Earlier detection, potentially by 2 years, could allow for earlier treatment and improve the quality of life for heart failure patients. AI as an early warning system. The AI program could be used by general practitioners, GPs, to identify patients at high risk and diagnose them sooner. Focus on high risk groups. The technology might be particularly beneficial for groups like women and older adults who are more likely to receive a late diagnosis.